Well, it's looking more and more likely like we're going to see some wintry weather moving in for Friday, especially Friday night into Saturday. However, we do expect dry weather to last through tonight. The accumulating snow is looking increasingly likely from Friday afternoon through Saturday, and the snow may begin falling as rain. It could result in some icy roads as those roads begin to freeze up. And whoa, hey, slow down. Whoa! That was a close one. Shouldn't drive like that in the snow, obviously. Anyway, I want to show you a couple of models here. This is the NAM model. You can see the snow moving into northern Wyoming as we head into Friday morning. You see it's dropping south through the day and into Friday night. That can be the worst of the time and the worst of the conditions for many areas. Then heading into south on Saturday, ending by Saturday night. Now the GFS model, pretty much the same thing. Coming into the north, probably midday on Friday, dropping south through the afternoon and evening hours through the overnight, then exiting the areas we head towards Saturday. Now you probably noticed still some differences on where it sets up the heaviest snow, but they are getting in a little better agreement. So as we time out the impacts, you can see this doesn't change much from yesterday. Coming into the north, probably starting snow probably Friday midday, Friday afternoon, then heading south through the day, Friday evening toward the central areas, waiting toward about daybreak on Saturday across the I-80 corridor. Maximum impacts again Friday evening across the north. Worst impacts further south, Worland, also Riverton, Casper, Lander, probably after midnight Friday to about Saturday morning. Then midday on Saturday I should say, for Rock Springs, before it all ends on Saturday. Now I want to mention, not a lot of snow with this, but many areas could have a flash freeze. Temperatures will be up in the 40s and drop rapidly, so could be some icy roads out there, especially Friday night once the sun goes down, so watch out for that if you have to travel. And how much snow are you going to get? That's the question that everyone's asking. Generally about 2 to 4 inches across the lower elevations. Some of the favorite areas like Thermopolis, also Lander could pick up a couple more inches than that. Mountains, we're looking generally about 6 to maybe 10 inches across the Bighorns, also the Wind Rivers. A little bit less west of the divide. Generally about 3 to 6 in the mountains, about 1 to 2 across the valleys. I'll leave that up there just for a minute before you can look at. And one more thing we want to bring up, obviously, is our resources for weather, road conditions, as well as webcams by route. Be safe, everyone. Have a great weekend.